Hello guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine tutorial video. So today I'm going to be downloading a texture and importing it to Unreal Engine. So let me show you how to do it. So I'm just going to download any texture from any website. So let's just click on the first one. Okay, no, I don't actually want to download from this, so let's download from Polyhaven. See a cool brick texture. So this one looks very good. I'm gonna download it and wait for the download to finish. After it finishes downloading, so this texture is a zip, so I'm just gonna right click on it, extract files, and I'm just going to choose where I put this file in. I'm just gonna skip this. So I extracted the files and I came to where I put the files in, and as you can see we have some textures over here. So we have a GIMP file, which of course I'm not going to be putting in Unreal Engine. Now Unreal Engine supports JPG files, so I'm just gonna drag this here and wait until it gets imported. And when it gets imported, it should be a normal texture, but what I want to do is I want to create a material of this texture, which I'm going to show you now. So it has finished importing, and as you can see, this is our texture brick wall. So I'm just gonna click on it, go inside it, and as you can see, this is the texture. I'm gonna save it because it's not saved, and I'm gonna go back, and to actually make it a material, I'm gonna right click on it. So I'm gonna select it like this and right click on it and go up to texture actions and create material, and I'm just gonna call this brick wall, and just go inside the material so I can show how this. Okay, let's go here. So there's a texture sample in the brick wall. So if we click on the texture sample, we can see that it is already selected as our texture. We just have to wait until it loads. So I'm gonna select to a cube so I see how it looks on a cube. And so let's see how this texture looks on the cube. Okay, so it looks pretty nice. I'm just gonna save it and click on the X, and now we have our texture put in Unreal Engine, and I can put it anywhere I want. I can just drag it and put it, and yeah. So for some reason it's probably loading when I put it on something. It's supposed to load. Now if it does not work, you can just drag the texture itself on something and it's going to automatically create a new material. And when it creates this new material, this material should work when you put it on anything. So that's how you make textures. I mean import textures, not make textures. So if this does not work, if the material does not work, you can just drag the texture in on shape, and it's automatically going to create a material that works when you put it. So as you can see, we have the material put on, and that's how you import a texture from a website and import it to Unreal Engine. If you enjoyed the tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe. I will really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.